In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the iPhone update problem. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, most iOS 19 update problems are caused by either a storage logjam or a conflict with the new AI called background processing. So an iPhone update requires double the space of the download to unzip the files, so you have to have space available. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, scroll down, go over to general, and then go to iPhone storage and just ensure you have enough storage. If you don't, just delete anything that you might not be using or anything like that. Now, what you want to do is when it says delete any system data or large apps you don't use, if it's stuck on preparing update, go to this menu, find the iOS 19 update file, tap it, and then select delete update. Then what you're going to do is go back from this area, then go back to the software update screen, and then start over again. And if the update says it's unable to verify or checking for update indefinitely, what you want to do is swipe down and then toggle airplane mode on, and then just wait for like 10 seconds and then turn it off again. And then, just wait to see if that works for you. And what you can also do is go over to settings and then general. And then once you're here, go over to transfer or reset iPhone, and then go over to reset at the very top and then reset your network settings. And then what you can also do is if you have a VPN on, go ahead and disable it, as VPNs can block the verification ping. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about.